Yeah, yeah. Hi guys, Mitransh, how's your exam, Mitransh? Can you message me?
Uh, okay.
I'm so curious to know.
In the Zoom
Geometry,
chat. Oh,
geometry. Yeah, yeah. I would really like to know. Hi, Dhru. Nice to see you, Dhru. I miss seeing you, right?
Yeah,
Yeah, I'm glad you're back. All your exams are over?
yeah, it's all
Okay, nice. Okay, so my plan is let me see. I have some questions for you to be worked out. That is all based out of geometry that we studied, but these questions will be based for SATs. Okay, so let's see. I have some list of questions on different topics. Let's go topic by topic. Okay. Uh, Let me see, guys. I have those questions as geometry SAT. Give me 1 minute. One second, guys. Okay, let's go ahead and do these. I'll start with easy questions, okay, but then we'll get to harder ones, okay. We finished probability, right? So we don't have to go back. Let's see. We have this class and one more class. So I've split the topics into two different weeks, okay. I would like to touch at least 3 topics this week and 3 topics next week. Try this one. The faster we go, the easier it is. It will be a comprehensive coverage of what. Are you able to see, guys?
Yeah.
Okay. This is, yeah, we'll start with easy ones though. We'll start with angles. Maybe I have to make it bigger. I feel it's so small. You can use the same numbers as is given. The angles part will be a little easier. I really want to touch circles too. Circles might be a little harder.
Can you go back up to question 1?
Absolutely, ma. Yeah. And as a part of this, meaning, have you seen invitationals? Meaning, there are so many schools that conduct invitationals, in the sense algebra 1 invitationals, geometry invitationals. Okay, see, you are not there where you can prepare for SAT yet, right? So you should be downloading those papers and work them out when you're free. If you want, you let me know. I'll send you links as well. From there you can work on those invitational papers. If you keep working on them, right, till you really join a SAT course, you'll be amazingly good with algebra 1 and geometry. You've completed all the, some of you have completed all the 3, some of you have completed 2. So now that you've completed algebra 1 geometry, what you can do is work through these papers. Okay, see, University of Houston conducts these competitions every year. Okay, you don't need to go for those competitions, but download those papers and work it out. That will serve as a preparation for SAT. Whenever you have time, work through those papers. If you don't know a question, go through the solution. If you don't know the solution, bring it to class. You see, so working through those question papers will definitely open your eyes. Oh, this is the area I'm weak in. You don't need a separate preparation for SAT at all. Make sense? Okay, I'll put out these questions are not from there. Okay, these questions are based out of SAT. Okay, whatever we are discussing in class. However, I'm going to put a couple of invitational papers for algebra 1 and geometry in your Google Classroom. You can work it out. Meaning, when you start the summer, when you're free, right, work through those papers. Don't allocate separate time for preparation for SAT later. Go ahead. Uh, வைக்கிறேன்டா.
My mother's taking
You
all the chores.
Miss Priya, can you go to the third one?
okay? You are on the first. Yes, Nabiha, I did see your message. You too fast, Vibha. Give us a few minutes, Vibha. Please.
Wait, all the angles of a triangle equals 180, right?
Yeah.
Miss Priya,
Yeah, ma.
I also need the third question here. Do you have to wait?
You are done with the first two. Ashrita is also done. You want to go to the third question?
Hey, can I just see it for some time? I'll take a picture of it.
Which one, ma?
Can you scroll down to the third question for like a second? I'll take a picture.
Okay. Oh, okay. That's a good idea.
Yeah, I took it. You can scroll up now.
Okay. Ma, if you didn't get it, immediately ask ma. Don't waste time. Yes. First two questions are easy. Mitransh, please, a message. Did you finish your exam?
Not yet.
Wait, Miss Priya, are you checking the answers?
Ma, all of you who got it right, ma.
Okay.
Miss Priya, can you check my answer for
Yes,
the
yes,
first
yes,
one?
yes. I did.
No, I just sent it, Miss
Yes, I did. I
Oh.
was on your chat. 40, right? It's correct. I
Oh,
did
okay.
see, ma. Go ahead. See what I'm doing here, only looking at your answers. Go ahead. Vibha is waiting, right? Let's go to 2 and 3. Quick, come on. If you're not getting it, then I'll do. See, the invitational contest questions will be a lot more difficult than these. I will put one in the classroom this week and let me know if you want more. Okay, let's see. But you should be doing these. You need answers as well, right? Sometimes they won't give answers. If you didn't get it, then share with me. I'll bring it to class at least. Yep. Through all the three are right through. Mitransh, is your geometry acceleration test over or not? Hmm?
It's over.
Can you message me? How did it go? What did you do and stuff?
In Zoom itself.
Yeah, Zoom itself. I'm absolutely fine. Second one seems not correct, ma. Mitran, second one seems not correct. Okay, let's quickly solve only the second and then we'll move on. I think all of the others got it. So let's see. Mahir, are you doing this? So angles in a triangle add up to 180, right? 40, 70, 70, 100, 110. This is 70, right? After that, what happens? We need to find out x, huh? Okay. How did you all go about?
Since the lines are parallel, like AC and GD are parallel,
Oh,
so that means the angle, yeah, that one is 40, and then you can fill in the rest.
this one is 70.
Yeah, and then you can fill in for the small one too, because BF and CE are also parallel.
Oh, yeah, BF and CE are also parallel. Yeah.
So
CR.
then, yeah, so then that would be 70,
70.
and then
This
you can
is
just
40.
do 180 minus 70.
Yep, that is itself enough. So this is a linear pair, right? This is 110, right? Mitransh, did you get that?
Yeah.
Okay. Nabiha, are you following Nabiha? Nabiha, Mahir, I did not get the answers. I'm not sure what it means. Okay, now I'm going to give you a series of questions in angles and we'll stop their angles, okay? Let's see, guys. Give me a minute. Oh, this is what we solved in the other class as well. Let's see. Okay, there are two questions here. Do this one. What did I? Do you get it, guys? If it's too easy as well, I have to know, guys, so that we can change. Mom will send this. Sure, ma. Sure, Mitransh.
Miss Priya, can you explain the second one?
Yes, I will definitely. Dhruv, I think that's right. I'm checking. Srishti, good. Vibha. That seems right, Ashrita. Mahir, where are we? Dhruv, this seems too easy, right, Dhruv?
Yeah.
Okay, how about you, Vibha?
It's easy.
Easy. Okay, let me see. Okay, so coming here, right? The second one, right? What is this? In the figure, two triangles share a common side. Okay, this is a common side. Okay, what is the value of x plus y? Oh, okay. This one is what, ma? This one is what? This is
That's 80.
no. Angle around a point.
That's
360.
so
So
100.
this is
Yeah, it's the 260.
260. So this is a quadrilateral, right? Okay. Okay. This is a quadrilateral, right? So quadrilateral angles add up to 360. Quadrilateral angles add up to 360, right? So 70 plus 260 is here. So x and y you can find the sum.
Oh, I didn't know that quadrilaterals add up to 360. So that's
No. Yes. See, quadrilateral add up to 360 because of two triangles, 180 plus 180. Pentagon add up to what then? Three triangles, 180 plus 180 plus 180.
okay.
So you should know that. Okay, can we move on? Mahid, are you doing, ma?
Yeah, I sent the answers before.
Yeah, Mahid. This one I saw B and C. Good. Okay, let's see. Okay, I want to make it a little harder, guys. This seems too easy. Let's see. It's a good one. Let's see. Oh, this is good. Okay, let's see. This is on triangles, guys. It's not an angle, seems easy for you guys. To prove that ABC congruency proving. Five degrees is that? Oh, nice, Ashrita. These are so easy ones. Let's see.
Miss Priya, are there two right answers?
No.
Okay.
Let's see if you all remember this. Three right triangles in a triangle. This one we have covered. Let's see. You want to explain Vibha, is it A Vibha last? Vibha, is it? Vibha, was your answer for this one?
Huh?
Was your answer for this one?
For which one?
Seventh one.
Yeah. Example 7, that one I put A.
Yeah, but you have given me 6, right? That's why I'm asking in your
Oh, my
chat.
bad. 7. That's my
Oh, was that for? Okay, that
bad. Yeah.
means that seems incorrect, ma.
Hmm.
Looks like some of you have answer as A, some of you has answer as C for this one. Why? I don't know. Let's say C is okay. In triangles ABC and DEF, CF each have measure of 51. B, C, E, F. Okay, C plus. Please draw, guys. If you don't draw, we'll end up with mistakes. Okay, A, B, C. The order is very important. Okay, A, B, C, D, E, F. Each have a measure of 51. C and F 51. Okay, F has a measure of 51. BC is 8, EF is 8. BC is 8, EF is 8. Which additional piece of information is sufficient to prove the triangle is congruent to this triangle? Do you need any additional piece of info here? Okay, yeah, you need, right? Yeah, so you have the angle and the side, right? So you have side, angle, right? So now A, B, D, that is not enough, ma. See, if you have answered A, right, A, B, D are congruent, that is not enough. Then it becomes side angle, which is SSA. There is no SSA congruence. This is a very common mistake. In congruence, there is no SSA congruence. So A is incorrect. Angles B and C each have a measure of B and E. That works well because A S A included side. So that works very well. This works very well. Any questions? ACDE doesn't work again. Why ACD? AC and DE doesn't work. AC and DE are not even congruent. If DF is given, then that's a different story. AC and D are not even congruent. Angle B and D are not even congruent. So that does not work. Okay, this does not work. This does not work. This only works. Any questions? The main point here is you have to know that there is no SSA congruence. How about this? get it, guys. Only 2 answers I got, guys. If you didn't get it, you have to let me know.
Is my answer correct?
1 minute. Yeah. I'm checking. This seems a little bit of off. It's 12th one, right? They're asking for KH, huh? Oh, that's let's see, guys. Oh wow, good job, Dhruv. Good job, Ashrita. Either of you want to explain this? Oh wow, Magir, good job. Do you want to explain now?
I'll explain.
Yeah, go ahead. That was a nice one to do. Go ahead.
So, as you can see, FG is equal to 5 and GK is equal to 3. So by using Pythagorean theorem, is 3 squared plus FK squared is equal to 5 squared.
Mm-hmm.
And then you get 9 plus FK squared is equal to 25.
Mm-hmm.
And then you get FF squared is 16. And FK is equal to 4. Alright. And then you use a formula which is the geometric mean altitude formula, saying this thing squared is equal to this thing times
Good,
this.
guys. Mm-hmm.
So you would do 3 squared is equal to
Okay, you're doing it. Okay. Mm-hmm.
4 times
Times.
kh,
That's
and then you do 9 is equal to 4 times kh, and then 9 divided by 4 is equal to kh, which is equal to 2.25.
Yep. Can we move on? Yes, very nice. This was a geometric mean. This is a little difficult to remember though. But this one is important. Okay. So let's see these. Still we are on triangles and congruence. We have not yet gone out of it. Let's see. Okay, how about this? Okay, let's do 3 questions on this. 3 questions. Yeah, let's do these 3 questions. How about this? Let me also give you some invitational questions as well. So these questions are on the easier end. Okay, the invitational questions are on the harder end, and that's what you need to do. I will add an invitational contest question, 2026 or 2025 latest invitational contest. You can get it from Google. I hope I was audible, guys. I just froze, I thought. But keep doing something or the other, otherwise your geometry will go off the door. By the time you finish algebra 2, you will forget geometry. So keep doing these invitational contests. Algebra 1 at least will come handy in algebra 2, but after doing all these, you will just forget. Okay, if you're getting into pre-calc, definitely keep in touch with algebra 1, geometry and algebra 2, because those 3 are the pillars. Whenever you have time, whatever day you have time, do 10 questions on each. Take up an invitational contest, do those. I will send samples, and from there you can as well search and take. Or if you don't get it, just message me, I'll send you more. Which additional piece of information is sufficient to determine whether this is similar to this? Okay. Angle. Is that right? K-Ura, DMN and ST. How? Yeah, I think Vibha's answer is right. K-Ura, is that right? I'm just
I
wondering.
felt like there were like 3 right answers, so I just picked one. I mean, not 3, 2 right answers. I thought
Which are the, okay,
B,
which is, yeah,
B
just,
or D could be. I didn't know which one between those two, so I just picked one.
sorry, ma, I just heard D. What is the other one you said?
B.
B, there is only one angle given, right? What are the similarities you have? You should remember the similar. See, these are just reviews so that even if you've forgotten, just revise and make sure you know. What are the similarities you have? SSS, SAS, like that. What are the similarities you have? Angle is given. Okay. And they need only one more. However you choose, there will be only one more. It cannot be a side because there is no SA similarity, right? There is an AA similarity though. Srishti, did you answer the ninth one? Oh, ninth one is, yeah, good.
Yeah, I just submitted.
Ashrita, did you get it?
I'm sending all 3 at the same time.
Oh, okay. So basically, when you think about this 9, right? LMN, RST. LMN, please draw, guys, otherwise you lose track. RST. They have already given that L and R are similar. This and this are similar, okay? But the similarity, there's only one more you can expect. So it cannot be a segment because there is no SA similarity. Okay, but S and T, no, we don't need that similarity. But N and T, yes, that's what we need, the last letter, last letter. So that becomes, when you prove that these two angles are same, then it means it's AA similarity. By AA similarity, you can say these two triangles are similar. So what you required was A and not D. Does that make sense, Kayura?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, now, yeah, so let's go ahead with the 10th and the 11th, guys. Yesterday there was one question in algebra. Which class? It was difficult. Yeah, I want to give that to you guys. Let me see. I'm going to bring that now. Okay, yeah, in geometry class we did it. In the Friday geometry class. So I'm going to bring that question here. It was on area perimeter. Okay, let me bring that. It was really only one of them got it. Let's see, I'll bring that in here. Mahir, did you get the answer? Oh yeah. 10 and B. Let me see. Ashita, I'm waiting for your answers.
I
Okay.
sent them.
Oh, you send them?
Yeah.
See, Ashita. Oh yeah. Yeah. 10 and B. Okay. 13th, right? 13th, some of you didn't get it. Okay. 13th, some of you didn't get it. Okay, let me go ahead and put down the answers for each and then we'll see. This is A, 10, and then this one was I don't know what was this answer. This one was C, yeah? What was that, guys?
I thought it was B.
B, yeah? Okay, B. Let's see. Okay, if you don't know, you have to ask. Okay, this one I'm going to
Wait,
explain
Miss
because
Priya, are
yeah,
my answers correct? I sent them like a while.
I have put down the answers there. Did you get them?
Yeah, no, I know I'm talking.
No. Wait. You put down a C, Dhruv, right? So let's see. Dhruv has gotten a C, Ashita has gotten a B. On the last one, there is some discrepancy. I'm going to solve the last one. Dhruv, I think C is not right. I don't know, Dhruv. Let's see. Let's see. Some of you put in B, some of you put C here. Okay. This one is correct. A and 10. When adjusted to a height 35 feet, a pole casts a shadow. It is just, see, a pole is casting a shadow. Okay. When adjusted to a height of 35 feet, pole casts a shadow that is 14 meter long. Okay. By how many feet must the height of the pole be increased so that it casts a shadow 18 feet long? So basically, if this is turned to 18 feet, so basically 35 by 14, it's just proportionality, right? 18. For this to be 18, what you should do for this? Okay, so this is 2, 7, 7 by 2, right? Times 9 times, oh, what did I do?
It should be 35 plus x over 18.
Oh yeah, because of the height, ma. Yes, ma, I'm with you. 35 by 14 feet long. So how many should it be increased, right? I did not see that. See, will be equal to 14, 18 feet long. This is okay. So basically this is 5 by 2, right? 9 times 9. So basically 9 5s are 45 will be equal to 35 plus x. X will be equal to 10. Can we move on? Okay. Framing that correctly is important. This one, I don't know. Some of you have answered B, some of you have answered C. In triangles A, B, C, D, E, F, angles A and D each measure 72, 72. B and E each measure 36, 36. Okay. Which additional piece of information is required that they are congruent, right? So let's draw it out, right? A, B, C. There is no SSA congruence. That is the worst part they'll ask usually. Okay. So A is 72, D is 72. We know that. And after that, they have given B and E is 36, 36. Now we need to be looking for what are the possible congruences that are there. This side is possible, or they can as well have this side or this side. Any one side is good, because if this is the side, then it is ASA. If this is the side, then it is AAS. If this is the side, then again it is AAS, right? So it just go clockwise or anti-clockwise and you'll know what it is. So here any one side is what we need. This does not help because there is no AAA congruence. There is no AAA congruence. But what is this? ACDF. ACDF is possible. The length of side DE is equal to the length of side EF. DE and EF are on the same triangle, so this is not worth it. Only this. Dhruv, there is no AAA congruence, right, Dhruv?
Yeah. Oh, congruence. Oh,
Yeah.
I thought it was a similarity. My bad.
Even if it is similarity, there is only AA.
No, there is a similarity.
Yeah, but you will never get to a point where you will have AAA. Because AA itself means the other, right? A similarity. They will never, meaning what I'm saying is, if they've already given two angles are similar, right? There is no need for you to prove the other angle to be equal. So there is no A similarity, but AA is itself sufficient to prove A similarity. Make sense?
I thought I was asking for similarity. That's why I put.
Oh, okay. No problem. No worries at all. Okay. And it's okay. Doesn't matter. As long as you make sure you focus, fine. Let's go ahead with, I want to go to that perimeter area, but before that, there are more as well. I don't know. Let's see. This seems good. Let's do this and then go to that problem. How about this? Oh, wow, this is nice. Triangular sides where A is a constant to the nearest tenth of an inch. Oh wow, these are good ones. Let's see. But it's too small. Okay, how about this? This one, let me go, meaning we are only discussing congruence, right? We are not even gone to similarity. We are slow. Okay, let's see. I'll go to area perimeter directly. Circles is there actually. But we'll go to circles, but let's see. Circles is quite important. But area perimeter is one problem which is really difficult.
Miss Priya, I have to go now.
Yeah, you go, ma. Nabiha, go, but please, I will pose these questions, do it, and let me know if you have any trouble as well, Nabiha.
Okay. All right. Bye, Miss Priya.
Bye, ma. Oh yeah, this one was a harder one. This topic overall yesterday. So let's do that than anything else. It's a good one. Let's see. Right triangle. This one I didn't get any answers. Why, guys? One answer I got. Srishti got it. Okay, let's see. Did it? Can I do? Meaning, if you want me to do anything, let me know. That seems right. Srishti, Ashita, you got the first one. If you want me to work it out, you have to ask for the first one. Second one, yeah, it's a good one.
Miss Priya, can you check my second answer?
Doubtful.
No, I think I got it. But I just want to make sure.
Yeah. See, the changes are always harder. Circle A has a radius of 30% longer than the radius of circle B. Okay. 30% longer means circle B. I will do it like this. A, this is pi r square. 30% longer means pi 130 by 100, right? R the whole square. So what is by what percent? The area of the circle A is k percent greater. What is the value of k? Okay. So this would be 13 is what? 13 square is 169, right? So 169 by 100 pi r square. But pi r square is that of the circle B. So 1.69, right? Meaning in terms of percentage, they are asking for percentage, right? It is 169 by 100 is 69 percentage greater. Any questions? Mitranj, did you get it? Dhruv, you got it. Good. Mitranj also got it. Okay. Mahir, did you get it?
Yeah.
Mahir. Okay. let me see. Change in volume. Yeah, this is a good one, but a harder one. Can we try? Yeah, we will try. How about this? Let's see if you'll remember. If you don't remember, I'll do it on the board. How many of you know density equal to mass by volume? Do you all know the formula? Okay. Density is mass by volume. You have to know that. Oh, this is a good one. Let's see this one. Let's see these guys. Yeah, when they come to area volume, it's always a little hard. I would like to do all of these problems. Let's see. By the end of this class, let's see. These are really nice. We'll do one by one. Cones A and B are right circular cones. Cone has a radius of half the radius of cone B and a height that's 3 times the height of cone B.
Is my answer correct, Miss Priya?
Oh, I'm talking on mute. So what is the formula for the volume of a cone? 1 by 3. 1 by 3.
Pi r squared.
R squared.
H.
Pi r square h, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So cone B, we already know this is the volume, let's say. Okay. Now for cone A, we want to calculate. Each of you have different answers on this. Let's see this one. It's the height of cone B. Cone B is the volume of, okay, what is the volume of cone A in cubic inches? Okay, so let's see. 1 by 3 pi r square h is that of cone B. Now for cone A, I'm going to change. Okay, I'm going to change for cone A. So how am I going to change the r? So half of this. So this r square is going to become half r the whole square, right? And then height is going to become 3. Height is going to become 3 means 3h. So now we got it, right? 1 by 3. Now 1 by 3 pi. See, this one remains the same. This one 1 by 3 pi r square h. This is the old one. This is the old one means this is equal to 720. So now let me rewrite it. 1 by 3 pi, and then you have half square, right? Let me put it separately. And then r square h is there, but then the 3 is as well there. You see, this we already know it's 720. So we have to calculate 3/4 of 120, 180, 3 is 3, 4. So 540 was the right answer. I think it's a computation mistake, though. Did you see?
No, I typed 640 by accident.
Oh, okay, okay.
I just realized.
Srishti, did you understand that question?
Yeah, I put my answer in. Yeah, I understood it.
Mitransh, did you?
I understand.
Okay.
Priya, can you scroll down to the
Yeah,
third?
yeah, absolutely, ma'am. I'll do one thing. I'll put all of these questions. All are from a sad book, nice book. Okay, so please do these questions for you to review the entirety of geometry. Okay, next week I want to do something else. So I'm going to put all the topics that I have taken from geometry into your classroom. Let's do though. Okay, let's do this and go. Oh, we didn't do this. Did you do this, Ashita? The given expression represents. Okay.
I sent my answer.
I'll check. The given expression represent. Oh, so you need the next one as well, is it? Okay. Surface area in square centimeters of a right rectangular prism. Okay. Right rectangular prism surface area is what? Right rectangular prism surface area with xy and a height. What is the height in centimeter, right? Xy 2xy plus 2yh plus 2hx. That is the surface area, right? What is the height in centimeter? 2xy is already there. So here, yeah, I get it as 50. Good job. So you just equate. So the area of a right rectangular prism, okay, of a right rectangular prism can be given by x, y, and h if it is there. Then front and back is xh, 2xh. And then side and side will be 2yh. And then top and bottom will be 2xy because xy plus xy is 2xy. So compare with this, 2xy get cancelled. However, here, right, whichever has x can be equated to this. So 2 height will be equal to 100, height will be 50. Mitransh, you got it? Okay. Kayura, you got it?
Yeah.
We have 3 more. Can we do that and go if you don't mind? I'm okay to wait. Let's see. The given equation represents an area in square inches of a rectangle with a length of x inches. Which of the following is the best representation of 75 in this context? Oh my gosh. Of a rectangle with a length of x inches. Area of a rectangle? Area of a rectangle means length of x inches. X times width, right? So literally the width is 75 minus 2 times length divided by 2. What is that then? Oh wow, it's a good question. Did you get the answer for this one? Anybody? Yeah.
I think I know what it is. It's
Yeah, go ahead, Dhruv. Good
I
job,
think
Ashita, that's right.
I think it's D.
D, because see, clearly it indicates the width is this, but what is this when you think about it, right? See, perimeter has two lengths and two widths. From there, they have subtracted two lengths and then they have divided by 2 to indicate the width. So 75 is the perimeter. Makes sense? Let's do. Go ahead. We'll do at least one of it, ma. Then we'll leave. Yeah, one or only two questions, right? We'll do those and go.
Well, can you scroll up? The top part of the question. Scroll.
If you want me to do it, I'll do it on the board as well. Sorry, guys. Okay, the little ones, please wait. Okay. Uh, yeah, that's a nice one. Ashita, you want to see? Okay, so let's see a rectangle. Oh wow, Mahir, you want to explain this time? A rectangular image on screen has an area of 464 square centimeter. The image is edited. Okay, so a rectangular image means this will be equal to 464. The length is 25% greater than the original, means it became 125 by 100 L, right? Width is 10% less than the original, 90 by 100 W, right? What is the area in square centimeter of the edited image? So this becomes very easy because this is 5 by 4, this is 9 by 10. So 5 by 4 times 9 by 10, the original. What is that? 464. So now what is this? 5, 2, then this is 9 by 8 of 464. 6 8s are 48. No, that's not correct. 8 5s are 40. 58 times 9. 8 9s are 72. 9 5s are 45. 45 is 52. 522. The answer should have been 522. 522 square centimeters. Any questions? Okay, the last one. Last one, if you get it, you can leave, ma. Dhruv, did you get the last one?
Yeah, I got the 520.
Yeah, I saw that. Cone M is a right circular cone with a radius of R and a height of H. Okay. The volume of the cone N is 144 times the volume of cone M. Cone n is not shown. Okay. So cone m, 144 times of m is equal to n. What of the following could represent the radius of cone n in terms of radius and height? Wow. Okay. So how do you do that? Volume of a cone is 1 by 3 pi r square h, right? So this is 144 times of that will be equal to n. Okay, okay. 144 times the volume, this is the volume of m. Okay. So now you have to split this into how? The thing is 144. So try substituting. If you substitute 4r, right, it becomes 16. 16 gets in here and 6 gets in here. That doesn't work. Now what I'm saying is R, if you're going to plug in 4R, and H you're going to plug in 6H, right? What comes out? You get 16. R square comes out. This 16 comes out and 6 comes out. That is not going to get you to 144 because 6 times 6 is 36. So then I will do this and this. Okay, then again 16 times 36 comes in, that also doesn't work. Okay, then 36 times 4, that does work. 6 4s are 24, 2 4 3s are 12. That works. See, then again the last one, if I try 6r, right, 36 comes out and a 12 comes out. 36 times 12 ends with a 2. So the only answer, this does not work. The only answer is C. Okay, if you don't have any questions, you can leave. See you all next week, but please work on these. Yeah, Ashrita, your answer is right. Any questions, guys? If you don't have any questions, we leave. If you have questions, stay. See you all next week, guys. Bye.
Bye.
Bye. Bye, guys. Srishti, keep working on these, okay?
Yeah.
That will really help, Ma. Whenever you are free, right?
Yeah.
Definitely keep working and don't separately prepare for SAT. Don't lose what you have already gotten in geometry.
Yeah, I had a question. So when for our next like enrollment, like should I enroll in the Algebra 2 one?
Yep.
Okay.
Why? What makes you ask the question?
Because I thought there was like SAT prep as well that you were talking about.
Yeah,
Should I just take it together?
Why, I will help you with
Okay.
side by side SAT. Meaning you don't have to. Don't pressurize yourself with 2 classes. You see what I
Yeah.
mean?
Yeah.
I will do, but let's see. I will
Okay.
tell you if you need it, okay?
Okay.
You can cope with side by side. You see what I
Yeah.
mean?
Yeah.
You can keep working on that and ask me questions in class.
Yeah.
Some of them really need, you see. Then I'll myself tell, oh, this will work for you, will not work for you.
Yeah.
You
Okay.
can do it on the sides.
Yeah.
Yeah, and ask me books. I'll help you with that.
Yeah.
Whatever books you find from your friends, you do. Don't
Yeah.
waste with 2 classes time, effort, and money.
Okay. Okay. Thank
Okay.
you. Bye.
Bye. Hi guys, sorry guys, I made you wait. I'm very sorry. How are you all?
Good. Good.
Okay. I really want to ask you a question. How many of you are enjoying the Beast books? How many of you are not? Meaning, I really want a very honest answer. Meaning, it's very confidential and I appreciate you because you telling me that you don't like it and you like it. But wait. I really want to make a note of it as well. But please, you have to be honest with me. If you don't like it, I'm absolutely, meaning I respect. That's why I'm asking you. You got it?
So I
Meaning, see, I really want to plan for the next year and I want to respect your opinions as well. If you are not telling it correctly, I will come and correct you. Hey, you can do this. Don't change like that. I'll come and tell you. So how do you want to proceed? Okay, let's say raise your hand using the raise hand button if you really liked the Beast Academy books. If you really would like to do the same Beast Academy books next year, raise your hand. And the word problems that we are doing, the mental math that we are doing. I'm absolutely fine if you're honest with me. Don't say, if you don't like, don't say I like. If you don't like, don't say you don't like. It's not worth it, okay? Whatever you guys want as well is respected, but at the same time, if you're trying to do less work as well, I will identify and tell you, hey, that will not work.
Priya,
Yeah.
I like the book, but I don't really like the problems. They're a little tricky.
Tricky. Oh, the tricky part is you think it's hard. Okay, okay, okay. I hear you, but I'll note it down. But I really want your honest thoughts. Please don't put your hands down. Please don't put your hands down. I really want to just make a note of.
Priya,
Miss Priya, I like the beach books, but I just can't find the raise hand button.
Okay. If that's so as well, you tell me.
Click the react and then like the hand sign button.
I was just checking that. I was checking that. I just deleted it.
Anjali, what does it mean, Anjali?
Oh my god. It was there.
For me, I don't hate the books, but I also don't love the books.
Oh, I see.
Hey,
Wow.
Priya,
Ah,
I like the book. It's just I don't see any problems like that at school.
don't worry about it. Shreyank, you're learning much more, right? Shreyank, take it that way. I don't see Shreyank, for a person like you, right? Why would you want to study the same thing at school that here that you do it in school, right? That becomes too boring and the classes will not be productive. You see, meaning classes are not worth your time and money and effort, right? So also think that way, right? When we do something, it has to have its at the end of it, you have to feel happy about it. First thing. Second thing is you should feel oh, I learned much more than what I would have done in school. That sort of a thing should come. Is it coming? And it's okay if you really don't like it. I respect that as well. But I will come back to you on that. See, everybody is raising hands. So can I take it that we will continue with the same book set next year?
Priya,
Yeah. Go ahead. Go ahead. I'm listening.
I like the Beast Academy books, but I don't really like the word problem. I like the
That's a part and parcel of our life. It's never going to go.
Priya,
Yeah.
some of the problems are like you some of the problems you already taught us. But some of the problems just don't make sense, and even my mom and dad can't solve them.
Why don't you bring that to class back?
And it's like really hard sometimes.
Absolutely, ma. Why don't you bring? See, okay, I understand. Okay, when I give you 10 problems, right? It might be that we may not be able to go through 10 problems if you don't know. Let's say you get 10 problems, that's hard, okay, in a week. I completely understand. Even if you bring back the 10 problems, we may not be able to do all the 10, but we will do 3 of them, right? So you learn those 3 extras, right? And one another day bring back another 2, right? We will do 2 more, right? So shall we do that? 5 you learn out of the 10, it's a plus, right? It need not be 100%. Okay, sometimes even if we do the 10 problems, you may not be able to reproduce the 10 when asked on some other day at some other place. You may not be able to reproduce. That is useless. Even if you do only, even if we end up doing 5 problems only as a review in class, if you're able to reproduce 3 of it, it's a win. You got it? So it's not like you have to do 100 by 100, you see?
Miss Priya, for
Yeah,
me,
tell me.
if I need help, my mom looks at the back and then she helps me.
Oh, that is good. But Anjali, in those cases, if you are given the problem all over again, are you able to solve? Check on that. You see what I mean? Just write down that in your same notebook. Come some other day, see whether you are able to solve. That, if you are able to solve, is a win. You got it?
What's our homework for this week?
Let's see. Wait. Okay. Let's see. I wanted to tell you. Yeah, ma?
Did you get my homework this
Yeah,
week?
I did. Aditi, off late, I'm so happy. Okay,
I'm submitting it.
Yeah, you're really catching on, right?
No, I'm submitting it every week.
I know, I saw that. Only
Almost
recently, right? Yeah. Off late means, off late of the past few weeks, I've been so happy with you. I saw that. Indeed, I was literally wanting to message your mom as well on that. Oh, I'm so happy to see.
It's just that sometimes my iPad doesn't work and then it starts glitching, so.
I see. But off late, I don't see. You're doing it every week, right? Okay, so 3C book. Okay. Can one of you let me know? I do see 3D book, how much is pending, guys?
Can I go get my book and check?
Yeah. I see. I have some detail with me too. I have noted down, so I really want to understand. Um, Wait, let me ask you some questions. I want to go over some word problems, okay? But I really want to see this is important or that is important. I know 3D. Some we have some topics as well.
We have a lot.
Yeah, ma, go ahead.
We have like how many?
Shreyank, I'm listening. Go ahead.
That wasn't
I have
me.
a question.
That was Adya. I saw Shreyank. Tell me. Sometimes I don't know what to do. I mistake your voices.
I have a question.
Yeah, go ahead, Kripa. Go ahead, Anjali.
Can
See,
we
now also.
lower our hands?
What is it?
Can we lower our hands?
Yeah. I'll lower your hands. Thank you. No, because I really want to separate out kids that were not liking to continue these books as well. You see what I mean?
I have a question.
Yeah, go ahead.
So it's question 78 on page 91.
Mama, 3C or 3D, ma?
3C.
3C. That's what the homework was on. 91. Page number 91, na?
Yeah.
Miss
Question.
Priya,
Sorry, can you repeat the question number?
Question number 78.
78, okay.
Miss Priya,
Yeah, ma.
can I quickly go get my 3C book?
Yeah, sure. Go bring. How many days are in a month that begins and ends on a Saturday? How many days are in a month that begins and end on a Saturday? How did you do that? Who did that? Let me first write the problem on the board. Okay, this is not for you, right, guys? Okay, so let's go ahead. Let me put that down on the board and we'll see. Okay, but okay, as a part of next year, right, I just want to let you know, okay, more than the Beast Academy books as well, right, I really want you to be able to solve more word problems, guys. That I'm seeing as a big gap still, even with the Beast Academy books. We are not able to solve word problems given. Okay, so I'll see. I'll work out some measures to include that somehow as a part of the lesson plan next year. Okay, so word problems using variables. Got it? We will use variables of x, y, a, b, c like that, and then do word problems. See, that is my main target for next year. Okay, even if we do these problems in the Beast Academy book, that is a big gap I'm seeing. Okay, so that's what I have noted for this class. Next year, by the end of next year, what we want to do is to be able to do any word problem given to you. You have to translate mathematics, you have to translate English to mathematics as equations. Make sense? Okay, so let me write this problem on the board. How many days let me, Ananya, for you, whatever you're finding it hard, right? Let me see what I can do. I have taken your pointer, okay? How many days are in a month that begins and ends on a Saturday?
Priyanti, do we answer in chat?
Yes, absolutely. One second.
Miss Priya, am I correct? Priya, am I correct?
I'm checking. How did you do that? I really want to know how you guys did it. Akshara, good job, Akshara. Did you do that problem in the homework or telling now? Adya,
I
correct.
did it in the homework. Yeah, me too.
Aru?
I just remembered it.
Oh, good. Vihan,
Did I
Vihan,
get
that's not
correct?
correct, Vihan. Okay, let's see, guys. Okay, let's see the calendar. Put up the calendar and see. Okay, we either have how many in. See, we either have 28 days, which happens in February, or 29 days, which happens in a leap year in February, or we have 30 days or 31 days. Hey, do you know this knuckle thing to find out 31 days? How many months have 31 days?
I know that trick.
How many of you know, or how many of you don't know?
I do not.
I don't.
See,
I don't know.
see my video. Okay, when you look at my video, do you see the knuckles? You know knuckles, right?
Yes.
Aditi, yes, ma. What is that you want to say?
Oh, yeah.
Okay, so start with January, February, March, April, May, June, July, meaning knuckle, then a valley, then a mountain, a valley, mountain, a valley. Let's see. Let me bring up a image. 1 second, guys. I'll bring up an image, okay?
September, October, November, December.
1 second.
For
Let me.
time. I know that trick for time.
No, I really want you to understand this and remember so that you don't forget. Okay. So let's see this one. Wait. Let me bring this up for you. See, this is what I want you to know and remember it forever. Okay. This is a good trick when it comes to calendar, right? See, the knuckles. See, January, it starts with this one. Okay, so it starts with what, guys? Here, January. See, February is a valley. Again, 31. Knuckles are all higher numbers. Knuckles are all 31. The valleys are all 28, 29, or 30. So it starts with January, February, March, April, May, June, July. Go again. Go again. August, September, October, November, December. Does that make sense, guys? So you'll know which month has, oh my god, what did I do? Which month has 20, so the number of days in a month can be 28, 29, 30, 31. Only that, right? So if you start on a Saturday, how do you draw a calendar? You should end on a Saturday. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, correct? So what I'll do, it starts on a Saturday, let's say. What happens? 1, 2, 3. Write it down and see. It takes time, but investing time in math is very good.
Yes, Priya.
Huh?
I did a calendar too, and that's what I wrote.
Oh, nice. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. Only when you do this, you'll know. 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. If it has to start on a Saturday, end on a Saturday, how many days it should have?
29.
29. If it has 30, then it will end on a Sunday. If it has 28, it will end on a Friday. If it has 31, it will end on a Monday. So the only case is if it starts on a Saturday for it. Thanks. If it has to end on a Saturday. If it starts on a Saturday, ends on a Saturday, it needs to have 29 days. Any questions, guys?
Miss Priya, does it happen for any number? So like if you want to end on if you start and end on a Friday, will it also be 29?
Come again with your question. I didn't get you. What is that?
So basically, like, so if you want to, so will 29 work for any days which are ending and starting at that day? So like, if you want to start on a Sunday and end on a Sunday, it'll be 29.
Good question. What do you think? He's asking. Let's say if it starts on a Friday.
Because that can only happen every 4 years.
Can I go to the bathroom?
Yeah, go Maditi. Vishwa, just hold on, Vishwa. He's asking something else, right? I'll come to your question. I'll come to your fact. Now, Vihan, see here. I'm changing. What do you think, Vihan? What do you think, Vihan?
Children.
25, 26, 27, 28, 29. What do you think?
It also end on 29. Right?
What do you think then?
That means it'll always be 29 if it's a starting and ending.
You answered your question. It should have 29 days for it to start and end on the same day.
But when I checked on my phone calendar, it says 30 or 31. Not sure why. I checked during the month. I kept looking through months and months and months.
No, what do you mean by that? If you see your phone calendar, it will show the calendar for May. May has 31 days, so it will not end start on the same day, end on the same day.
I was just checking every day.
Mm.
Every year, no, every month, which ends on a Saturday and starts on Saturday. Checking every month.
Every month. So which month started on Saturday and ended on a Saturday?
I don't remember.
No. Only when it has 29 days, it will happen that way. No month has 29 days, right? Excluding leap year, February.
Yes.
Yeah. So always that calendar, meaning usually our months start on a day, end on a different day based on 30 and 31 days. But if it has 29 days, which happens once in 4 years in February, Vishwa rightly pointed out that this happens only once in 4 years.
I think I skipped all the way to 2028.
2028 is a leap year, correct.
When I was thinking the calendar, I'm pretty sure I skipped 2028.
Agree. Okay, what
I
else?
wasn't too sure.
What other questions you had in the homework? Any other questions?
No.
Kripa, did you have any other questions?
I didn't ask.
Okay, let's see this one, guys. I really want to ask you. Last week I did something, but I really want to revise that, okay? How is this 2:34 minutes after 2:34 p.m.? What is it, guys? It's a difficult question. Let me see. Do it and tell me.
Do we need to write why?
No. You can tell me what is 2:34 minutes after 2:34 p.m. I want you to tell the time 2:34 minutes after 2:34 p.m.
Which one am I correct?
I'm checking now. That was fast actually.
I just remember the answer.
Shreyank, nice message. Adya, is that right, ma? I doubt. Really, guys?
Miss Priya, am I correct?
No, I'm not convinced with any of your answers. Yes, a couple of your answers are correct. Good job. Okay, I would like one of you to explain that. Wait, let me call out.
Miss
Couple
Priya.
of your answers are correct. Shreyang correct. Adya correct. Okay, Akshara correct. Akshara, good job. See, you interacting me with in the class is really feeling good, Akshara.
Miss Priya.
That is disabled.
Vihan correct. Okay, one of you, please. Any one of you who wants to explain.
Miss Priya, am I correct?
Priya,
Hmm.
my chat is disabled.
1 minute, ma. Let me enable that for her and come.
Can I explain?
Absolutely. Go ahead.
Okay, so first I did long division for 60 and 234. So first I did 60 times 5, that was 300. So you can't do that. 60 times 4 is 240. You can't do that either. And then 60 times 3 equals 180. You can do that. So you would keep 3 above, and then you would do 234 minus 180, and then it'll be 54. And then since the 234, you would do 3 hours 54
4 minutes. Good job.
minutes plus 2 hours 34 minutes, which you would get 5.88, but that would be 60 minutes equals 1 hour, so you would have to, so 28 would be left, and then it would become 1 more hour to the 5, and then it will become 6 hours 28 minutes p.m.
Good. 6:28 p.m. Nice.
Priya,
Yeah, Shreyang, can I ask you this? Is this easier? 240 minutes is very near 234 minutes, right? It's just 4 hours. Can you shift this number to 4 hours? 234, 334, 434, 534, 6:34 p.m. However, I wanted only 234 minutes fast forward. I fast forwarded 240 minutes. So can I go back 6 minutes? If I go back 6 minutes, go back 4 minutes, I get 6:30. Go back 2 minutes, I get 6:28. Is that easier?
Priya, okay. That was my method.
Oh, nice. Yes, Shreyang, tell me.
Yeah, it confuses me.
Okay, so each of our brains are different, okay? Fine. If you find that easier, 3 hours you did. So from here you went to 5:34 and then went for 54 minutes. That is as well fine. So you ended up with 6:28 p.m. Good job. Can I move on?
that's what I got as well.
Sri Mitran, I didn't see your answer. Or did I miss?
Miss Priya, I don't think you saw my answer.
I saw all the others, ma. I missed Sri Mitran's. Okay, I got it. You sent it, yes. So, hey, Vishwa, did you?
What?
Did you send the answer?
Yeah, I did.
Oh, just now. Yes. I see. The last answer was yours. Okay. We talked about the monster last week, right? The monster who said my age is.
Yeah.
We talked about it. Okay, good. Okay. Now you know what? I want to do this with you guys. This is an easy one, but a little bit of thinking is required. Okay. I have 1 gram, 2 gram, 4 gram, 8 grams. Okay. Now I have a pan balance. Okay. I have 7 gram on this side. What are the weights that I'll require on this side? I have to balance the scale. So what do I do?
How many different ways are there?
Can we use one thing twice?
You could put 1 gram, 2 grams, and 4 grams because 1 plus 2 is 3 and 3 plus 4 is 7.
Good job. So you will place these 3 to balance that. Very nice. Okay. How about let's see this one. How about this? I have, let's see. Okay, let's see this one. I have 1, 3, 9, 20. Oh, okay, these are all 2 powers. Okay, wait. Let me see, guys. Hold on. Okay. Let's see this one. If I have a 13-gram weight, what will you place? I changed this to a 13-gram weight. Well, let's discuss, guys. It's okay. One of you.
I understand it. You have to do 1 gram plus 4 gram plus 8 gram.
1
4
gram?
and 8.
1?
4 gram and so 1 gram, 4 gram and 8 gram.
4 gram and 8 gram.
Because 4 plus 8 is 12 plus 1 is 13.
Okay. Okay. Shall I tell you something? I really want to bring up something. Now, this is not a part of the book in this chapter, but I really wanted to bring up something. Okay. When you write the number, right? 4, 1, 2. When I write this number, we use a decimal number system, correct, guys? You know, decimal number system means. Okay, let's see this one. What is a decimal number system? How do you write this in expanded form? 2 times 1 you write 10 power of 0, 1 times 10 power of 1, 4 times 10 power of 2. How many of you understood this?
No.
How many of you understood this? No? You didn't understand? Okay. What is 10 power of 1? You know, have you heard of base and exponents?
Yeah.
This is called base. This is called exponent, right? Meaning, what does this mean? 10 power of 1 is a 10. 10 power, first watch what I'm doing, then tell me how it works. 10 power of 2 means this base gets multiplied by itself the exponent number of times. You have to listen carefully when we discuss all these. The base gets multiplied by itself exponent number of times. 10 times 10 will be equal to 100. 10 power of 3 will be 10 times 10 times 10 will be equal to 1000. Did you get it? I'm going to come back to this. Okay, wait. Now, I discussed this. So, when you write it in expanded form, even in your school, you do this. 2 times 1, 1 times 10, 4 times 100 you do, correct?
This is expanded notation, right?
Yeah, this is expanded. This is expanded notation, right? When you do that, what is all this? Just because we follow a decimal number system, okay, what does that mean? What is it to follow decimal number system? We are following base 10 numbers. Numbers have bases, okay, meaning you should know about base numbers. We use decimal number system means we use base 10 numbers. That means what? That means every digit, right, has a place value, right? When you think about your place values of numbers, right, it starts with ones, tens. See, it's a power of 10, hundreds. It's always powers of tens. Did you see that? It's always powers of tens. Hey, Srimitran, very glad to know that you scored well in your state test.
Thank you.
But please continue, okay, whatever you're doing. Ones, tens, hundreds. Did you see that? This is 10 power of 0. Anything power 0 is a 1. Take it like that for now, okay? 10 power of 1. 10 power of 2 is hundreds. 10 power of 3 is thousands. 10 power of 4 is a 10,000. Did you see that? All are powers of 10. Did you get it? The place value of each number is a 10 power. Did you get it? Did you get it, guys?
Yeah. Understand.
Okay. Now, how do you find the value of this number? If you put some number here, right? How do you find the value of it? You always multiply that digit with the place value. So the value of this is 2 times 1. The value of this is what? 2 times 10, which is 10. The value of this is 4 times 100 is 400. So our numbers, whatever we use in mathematics, is based out of base 10. Base 10 means, see, this is the base number. You get it?
10 will always be the base number?
Whatever we use, we have adopted base 10 numbers. Okay, but see this. We were discussing the pan balance, right? What did I give you? I said, see, I have weights only 10 power of 0, 10 power of 1, 10 power of 2, 10 power of 3. These are the weights I have. Okay. If I want to manage 412 grams on this side, right? How will I, what weights will I add in here? You see what I mean? 412, that's the same thing I asked you. I have only base 10, meaning I have only 1, 10, 100, 1000. How will you manage here? You are going to put 2, 10 power, meaning what will you do? I have only these weights. How will you manage 412? Come on, guys.
We'll put that one, the 100 grams first.
I do this, right?
Mm-hmm.
And then what?
A
10 to the power of 1 and then 10 to the power and then what? 10 to the power of 0.
1.
2.
Ah, that's what I'm saying. This is how you represent it. 4 times 10 power of 2, 1 times 10 power of 1, 2 times 10 power of 0. Correct, guys? That's why I said we use base 10 numbers. You know what? The same question I twisted and said, hey, I have 1 gram, 2 gram, 4 gram, 8 gram. What are all these? What base is all these? Think about the base. What? Huh?
They're multiplying by 2.
Exactly. These are base 2 numbers. See, when you think about it, right? It's all in squares of, it's all in powers of 2. Did you see that?
I noticed something.
What is
So
that?
2 squared is 4. So 2 and 4 side by side because 2 squared is 2.
2 square is 4.
4. Yeah, 4.
Yeah, 2 cube is what? 2 cube is what? 2 times 2 times 2, which is 8.
Yeah.
So this is what I asked you. Now I have number 13. How do you manage number 13?
Oh my God.
How did you manage number 13?
Okay,
I used
8 grams, 1 gram.
See, in base 2 numbers, right? When you think about it, base 2 numbers, this is 2 power of 0, 2 power of 1. The place values go like this. Okay, the place values go like this. Whatever digit you write here, you multiply it by 1. Whatever digit you write here, you multiply it by 2. Whatever digit you write here, you multiply by 4. Whatever digit you write here, you multiply by 8. So what do you do?
I will put the 4 grams, then the 2 grams, then the 1 gram.
4, 5, 6, 7 only it makes up, but I need a 13. Okay, let's go with the 7. Guys, let's make it easier. Okay, let's go with the 7. Sorry. Let's go with the 7. 7 is easy. What should I do?
4, 2, and 1 G.
Yeah, so where 4 gram. I'll use a 4 gram. So I'll use a 1. 1 of this, right? 1 of this I'll use.
Every single one.
Good job, every single one. So the number 111 in base 2 represents 7 in base 10. Does that make sense?
I didn't understand.
You didn't understand. Okay, that's good. Okay. Let's say the number 412. How did you write in base 10? What did you do, Shreyank? To write the number in base 10, what did we do? We used up 400s. We used 400.
Sorry, 400s.
Wait. Let me put down 10 power of 0, 10 power of 1, 10 power of 2. Right? Whatever digit I wrote here, I multiplied with the 10 powers and added them together. Correct? Now I used up 4. Right? So that became 400. This satisfied it. And then I added 110. Correct?
Yeah.
And then I added 2 ones. Correct?
Yeah.
Nice. So I was able to use what all digits for a base 10 system. What all digits I can use? I can start from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
1 and to infinity.
No. How many digits can I use? It cannot be infinity. How many digits can I use in base 10? Huh?
You can use.
How many digits can I use in base 10?
Wait, only for 10 because 10.
You can use only 10, 0 to 9 because 10 is a number that consists of 1 and 0 digit. You got it?
What about 11 digit?
What 11 digit? I don't get it.
Wait, will 11 digit come in base 10?
No, 11 digit, 11. See, the base 10 can have only digits 0 to 9.
Will it be like even numbers or is it odd numbers too?
It can have both even numbers and odd numbers, right, Ma? See, 1 is an odd number, 2 is an even number.
Figure out for even.
So now guess, guys, if base 10 can use digits from 0 to 9, what can base 2 use?
0 to 2.
0 to 1.
0 to 1. What can base 3 numbers use?
0 to 3.
0 to? 0 to 2.
2.
Guys,
Is it just like, isn't like mine, take that total number and minus 1?
correct, that's right. So how base 8 numbers will use what digits?
0 to 7.
Correct. See, math is all about patterns. Okay, Shreyank, what will base 6 numbers use?
5.
0 to 5. Okay, Srimitran, how about what will, let's do this. What does base 10, base 11 numbers use? That was a hard one, right? That's a hard one. Okay, let me not go there. What does base 4 numbers use?
0 to 3.
0. That was a question for Srimitran, not Vihan. 0 to 3. Correct. That's okay, Vihan. Okay. Now, you know this, okay? But when we go to, how about base 16 is as well important, you know? But that's hard to say, right? You all know about 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 only, right? But base 16 can use till 15, but we cannot use 10, 11, 12. We cannot be using 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, you know, because they have 2 digits in them. We need to have only 1. You know what? As a result, for base 16, we started using A, B, C, D, E, F. Do you know that? So, my base 16 numbers, Google out base 16 numbers, they will have all of these as digits. It's interesting, right? So, if I write A1A, this is a base 16 number. You know that? Because base
But what after 16?
No. There is none after 60. We use still, see, the main base numbers that are useful are usually base 2. Base 2 is what computers work with. Computers work with only base 2 numbers. They don't know any other bases. Okay, we are doing decimal, right? They don't know much about the decimal numbers. They know about the base 2 numbers. So, now let's not confuse ourselves. Who can tell me in base 2, how does the number 4 is getting represented?
2 square.
No. I want, how will you write 4 in base 2? You remember the base 2 number should only have what?
2 to the power of 2?
Yeah.
How will you write it in base 10? I told you, right? Place value in base 2 goes from what?
0 to 1.
Yeah, the place value is 2 power of 0, 2 power of 1. See, in base 10 numbers, the place value is 10 power of 0, 10 power of 1, 10 power of 2. Ones, tens, hundreds, right? Based on that, you write the digits here for your numbers. In base 2, it is 2 power of 0, 2 power of 1.
And
so, what will the number 4? What are the digits?
21.
2 won't be used. Guys, 2 won't be used, right? 0, it has to have only zeros and ones. How about this? How do you want to do? Maybe you need to use the 3 digits. I don't know. You have to tell me. Let me write it down for you. Number 4, how do you write it? Let's see. Number 4, right? This is 2 power of 0. This is 2 power of 1, 2 power of 2. So you need a 4. So basically you need a 4. That means 2 power of 4. 4 is here. You need one of this. You don't need anything else. So 0, 0. So 4 is represented as
0 to
1.
1.
Huh?
A base 2 only has 0 to 1.
Exactly. So the number 4 in base 10 is equivalent to 100 in base 2. 100 in base 2 is not 100. Okay, that's not 100 at all. That's 4 in base 10. You got it? Let's see.
I don't get it.
You don't get it. Okay. How do you represent 3 in base 2? How do you represent 3 in base 2? This represents the place value of 2 power of 0. This represents 2 power of 1, 2 power of 2. How do you represent 3? You should add on to a 3.
Is it 630?
You should just get a 3. What will you do to get a 3? This is 2. Basically, this is 2. This is 1. You multiply this digit by a 1. You multiply this digit by a 2. You multiply this digit by a 4. So how will you get a 3? How will you get a 3?
1, 1.
1, 1. This is a 0. You don't need a 4. You got it? So 1 times 1, expanded form, remember? 1 times 1 plus 2 times 1 is a 3. You got it? See, in base 10, when you write the expanded form, you always write 10, 1, 10, 100, 1000. In base 2, when you write an expanded form, you always write it as powers of 2. 1, 2, 4, 8, 16.
Miss Priya.
Yes, go ahead.
Understood. Go to the restroom.
Yeah, go and come back. Now, how will you write the number 5 in base 2? How will you write the number 5 in base 2? Fill in 1, 2, 4, 8, right? So fill in the values. I need a 5. So which ones will add up to a 5?
Miss Priya, can I go to the bathroom?
Yeah, go and come back. Huh?
4 and 1.
4 and 1. The rest of it are 0. So 5 in base 10 will be 101 in base 2. Did you all get it?
Yeah.
This was mind-boggling, right? How do you write the number 7 in base 10? Write the place values, then only you will be able to do.
4, 2, 1.
Exactly. So what will be the numbers?
1, 1, 1.
1, 1,
1. Good. So 7 in base 10 is written as 111 in base 2. So somebody asks you for base 2 number. See, tell the computer, hey, what is 7? It doesn't understand 7. It understands 111. You got it? How difficult it is for the computer. See, Ananya, computers always brainy to evaluate this. It takes complex tasks, right? So even if it is complex, it's okay, Ananya. We can try and make it work. Maths, right? Okay, how about this? So how do you represent the number 9 in base 2? Who can tell me in base 2? I'm not going to write the place values now. I want you to try. Every time if I write the place values, it's very easy on you guys. Your class is running like anything.
0, 1.
2. Base 2. Base 2 cannot have a 2.
1, 0, 0, 1.
Did you do it by yourself?
Yeah.
Okay, good.
I said 1, 0, 0, 1.
Let's see. 1, 2, 4, 8. So this has to be a 1, this has to be a 1. That's it. So 9 in, good job, Vihan. 9 in base 10 is written as 1001 in base 2. Make sense? So for now, it is really enough for you to understand what are base numbers. We use a base of 10, but you should know how to express in base 2. Yes, Makripa.
Do the computers use base 2 because it's binary code?
Exactly. Those are called binary numbers. Binary, because why they are called binary numbers? Who can tell me why they are called binary numbers?
Bi means 2.
Exactly, but these are called deci. Why? Decimal. What does deci mean?
10
Exactly. What is a decade?
decade.
10
Decade.
years. 100.
Decade is 10 years.
100.
Exactly. Then what does cent means?
100.
Cent is always 100. You have to remember these, okay? Cent is always 100. DEC is always a 10. Binary is always 2. Make sense?
What is this?
And try is always a 3.
Exactly. Bicycle. See? 2 wheels. Tricycle. 3 wheels. Got it? Okay. Now let's go ahead. See, I'm not able to do anything much. If we go out of the book, it just goes off. How about this? Okay. I'm going to do base 3 numbers now. Okay. Basically, they don't express it as base 3. They get introduced you to base 3 and base 2 in this book. But next year we'll learn. Okay. But you guys know base 2 numbers now. So how will you represent 18 grams? 1 second, guys. Okay, let's do 26 grams. You're going to say, how am I going to represent? I want the base 3 numbers, okay? You have to tell me the base 3 number of 26. 26 in base 10. You're going to put it out. I have only weights. What are the weights I have in base 3? Who can tell me the weights I have in base 3?
0 to 2.
No, 0 to 2 are the numbers that I will use. But what are the weights I have to balance? 1, 3,
5.
1, 3, 9.
12.
No, it is not addition.
18. 6.
No.
18.
1 times 3 is 3. 3 times 3 is 9. 9 times.
7.
Can we try this? How to fill in 26? How to fill in 26? It's not easy peasy.
Okay.
Wait, I got it.
Go ahead.
9931.
9, 9. So 2 here. 18, 19, 20, 21. But you can have one more. 24. And then
1. Another 2.
2. You got it? So 26 in base 10 is represented as 2, 2, 2 in base 3. Make sense? You don't need to understand base 3. Okay, if you understand base 2, it's more than enough for me. Okay. Okay. One more last question. Okay. I want you to write the number 12 in base 2.
Do we do it in chat?
Yeah, please. This one in chat. Now we have understood the concept. I'm thinking how many of you grasped it, how many of you didn't is what I need to understand. But it was good. That was a nice session, I felt. At least learning new things.
Oh, God.
Yes, Kripa, did you have a question, Kripa? You take your time, guys. I'm not pressuring anyone. Okay, try. If you don't know, we'll do it together. What big deal?
Yes. Am I right?
I'm checking now. 1 minute, I'm checking. One, two. Oh, yeah, that's easy. Yes, Mithun, good job. Akshara, good job. Wow, I'm proud, guys. We are good. You all understood base two. Shreyang, good. Those who didn't understand, I'm going to go over. Don't worry. Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Did I
yes.
get my answer correct?
I don't understand.
Aru, your answer is almost right. See, Aru, but you go from the right to the left. You go from right to the left. Can you recheck again? The rightmost digit place value is 1, 2, 4, 8. The weight goes on increasing from right to left. Shankari, in base 2, when did you have a 3 number? The digit 3 should never be used, right? Adya, did you evaluate your number? Did you forget? You have written a 6. Fill in the weights from the right. 1, 2, 4. Did your weights add up to 12? Yes, Kripa, that's right. Ananya, I want an answer from you. Aditi, Vishwa, I would like to get answers from you. See how we learned base 2. I'm so happy today. That was not there, but I felt like, okay, when I saw the weights, I really wanted to tell you that.
Priya,
Yes.
edited it.
You did it, Amma. Let me see, Ma. I didn't see your answer though.
I edit.
Shankari, in base 2, you can have digits only 0 and 1. Shankari, you know, if I were you, what I would do? I would write out my weights. Okay. In base 10, I would have written out like that. 1, 10, 100, 1000. This is what I do in base 10, right, Ma? So in base 2, I'll start writing like this. 1, 2, 4, 8. Then what do I do? How many hundreds I need, how many tens I need, how many ones I need, how many thousands I need, I fill in. Like that, I will fill in how many eights I need, how many fours I need, how many twos I need, how many ones I need to make up the 12. Does it make sense?
ये आंसर दो आंसर दो
Let's see. Aradhya. Can you explain how you did it, Ma? I see your answer, but can you tell me how did you get it? I'll wait to listen to you. Aru, if I add everything together, what happens? 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Did I want a 15 or a 12? See, what weights do you need? You have to understand. Okay, if I put everything 1, 1, 1, I need all the 4. That means my total weight is what? 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. I don't want a 15. I want a 12.
Miss Priya.
Yeah. Yes, that's right, Aru. You got it, lady. I want you to correct by yourself. I don't want to intervene and say this is right. Shankari, that's right. Aradhya, I'm waiting for your answer and explanation. You just remember as weights. Okay? In base 10, you start writing 1, 10, 100,000. In base 2, you start writing the weights as 1, 2, 4, 8. What weights do you need to make up the numbers is what you're going to do. Ananya V, did I get your answer? Ananya V, I really want to see your answer. Ananya V, please. Vishwa, did you send? Okay. Anjali, did you send?
I need help on power of 2 or base 2.
I have written down, right, Anjali? The weights are 1, 2, 4, 8. If you don't know, the way you need to do is start with 1, multiply by 2, multiply by 2, multiply by 2. Keep moving by multiplying by 2.
Okay.
Ananya, how can I help you, Ananya? Come on, let's do it together.
I don't know. I get it, but I don't know how to send it
in the chat.
Yeah.
You're just going to write out the numbers like 1, 0, 1 like that. That's all. Vishwa, did you get it?
I don't understand.
Shreyank, can you explain how you did, Shreyank?
So I thought, do we need any thousands or hundred? We didn't. So I just said 0, 0. And then we needed 1, 10. So I kept the 1 up top.
Shreyank, wait. I did not ask you in base 10. I asked you in base 2.
Yeah.
Base 2, you need to use the weights 1, 2, 4, 8.
I did it already.
No, you didn't. You use base 10.
Miss Priya, can I explain?
1 minute, Ma. Kripa. I really want each of them to clarify. Shreyank.
Yes, answer. I sent it. 1100.
Oh, then what is the 0012, Shreyank? Why did you change that?
12 and 10.
Ah, okay, I got it. Thank you. Thank you for explaining. Okay, Ananya, good job. Adya, did you get it? Aradhya, where are we?
Yeah, I understood the concept.
Vishwa, where is your answer?
I don't get it.
Aradhya didn't get it? Good. Okay, we'll see why you didn't get it. What I am saying is, if I ask you for base 2, the weights you are given are 1, 2, 4 and 8. Using these weights you have to make up 12. How will you make up 12? What weights do you need, Aradhya? You can have 8 and 4 to make up 12, right? How many 8s and how many 4s do you need to make up 12?
1.
1. Do you need anything else?
No.
So I can put a 0. So the number 1100 in base 2 represents 12 in base 10. Did you get it?
Yes.
Okay, so at the end of it, what I really want you guys to understand is there's a concept called base numbers. Okay, in mathematics, we use base 10 numbers where each digit that we use, say in the number, each digit that we use, the place values are 10 power of 0, 10 power of 1, the weights or so 10 power of 0, 10 power of 1, 10 power of 2, 10 power of 3, or you can call it as 1, 10. See, it all gets multiplied by tens. When you go to the left, the weights increase. When you go to the right, the weight decreases. You see, same thing happens in all base numbers. But base 2 has weights 1, 2, 4, 8, 16 increasing to the left, decreasing to the right. You all got it? That's what I want you to know. Okay. And for this week, I know we didn't discuss much and we discussed something else. I will give homework on that as well. But then can we finish this book with the weights and stuff? Can we do that? It's an easy thing to finish D. I'm sorry, C.
Will we have a lot of homework then?
You want a lot of problems like this?
No, I'm asking, will we have a lot of problems?
No. How many do you want, Shreyank? This week I'll give it to you. How many of those base 2, base 10 problems you want?
I don't know. No. I guess.
10 you want? 10 is too easy. Within minutes you'll finish and go. What do you want me to do?
24?
24. Okay.
Okay,
24
deal.
questions will be given. Okay. But you have to critically think and answer 24 questions. Okay. But then in the book you're going to complete that weights thing. Okay. So I will put down the pages. Yes, ma.
Priyanti, are you like 24 pages or 24?
24 questions is what he asked.
Oh, good.
I can give you 24 pages. Would you like to know? Okay. Okay, then we'll leave it at 24 questions. Okay, on base 2, base 10 numbers, but it will be a little bit of critical thinking. Okay, I'll do that, but in the meantime, you will have to work with the last few pages of the book as well. Okay. Okay, guys. See you all next week, and next week will be our last class, right, for the year. But then we'll continue in June. Okay. Yeah.
Okay.
Hi, Miss Priya.
Bye, guys. See you all next week. Bye, guys.
Happy Mother's
Is
Day.
this our
Bye-bye.
last class for the year?
Oh, that's in May, right, ma? We just continue in June. June 2nd week, we continue with a 2-week break.
We get it.
Yay.
Bye, Miss Priya. Thank you.
Bye, Miss Priya.
Happy Mother's Day.
Bye.
Happy Mother's Day.
Thank you, guys.
Bye, Miss Priya.
Happy
Bye,
Mother's
guys.
Day.
Thank you, guys. Wish your
Mother's
moms
Day.
as well. Wish your moms as well.
Okay.
Bye-bye.
Bye, Miss Priya. Thank you.
Bye, guys.
Bye.
Akshara, good work. Anjali, good work today.